Do you know that there are cybersecurity courses available for people who never had any experience in IT, information technology? Yes, you heard this right. You can do it. You can step right into the highly demand and recession-proof cybersecurity position with no prior experience in IT. And we can show you how you can become a certified cybersecurity technician in short 4 months, studying 2 times a week in the evening remotely. Does this sound good? I think it does. We are a state certified school and we are certified by the EC Council, and this diploma carries Department of Defense certification, so the US government would be very happy to hire you as a certified cybersecurity technician and lead you further to the certified ethical hacker and become a lifelong IT specialist in a wonderful recession-proof field of cybersecurity. The threats to our country are coming from all directions, and becoming a cybersecurity expert, you can protect us from all these upcoming threats. So please call us now, sign up for our program, and we'll show you how you can obtain this certificate in 3.5 months with 2 weeks of extensive hands-on training.